Flyers in head boy. I can see the chef. Another book.
Where are we?
English. English.
Leave AFM and MK at 7:30, so they're usually here by 7:55. And that takes like 20 minutes. 15 minutes.
She's camera shy.
Damn, but don't get on.
Grandma.
You did good.
What's going on? How you doing this morning? I'm doing. Oh my god, hey girl. Today's the last time I see you.
Yeah, tomorrow Joe's not going to school.
Yeah, I mean it's in her grandma era.
Oh yeah.
Senior citizens. Alright.
Bro, my bad.
What are you doing, Lexi?
My information. Oh my god, blur that out. My information.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go to Paul's prom. How to get the sign.
By Mr. Duchamp. I feel like he'd be like, no, you don't got the grades for it. That's how your brother is one thing.
It is one thing.
Yeah. Obey!
We're living my best life. We got a fat ass.
We're gonna have fire drill and oh my god! I'm so scared.
My stuff is like.
What's our room number? 6213. How would you rate this fire drill?
I just appreciate it.
What?
Come on, I'm gonna laugh. Come on.
All right, ready?
What is your name? Alexia Yusuf. What grade are you in? 11th. How do you feel about the state of the building? I think the state of the building is gross and we need a new one. Okay, thank you. You're welcome.
Beautiful. That was good.
Can we do Jenny?
Where is she?
Right in there.
Obey!
What happened? Like, is there something worse or?
I don't know, just like think of her in my life. It's like spreading rumors and stuff. I don't know.
Obey!
But welcome.
Obey!
Oh, that's what you're saying now?
Yeah.
What kind of piece?
No.
Why? I literally bought you food like 4 days in a row.
Fucking one day, but 4 days in a row. Take the
No.
shit before I take it back.
My mind.
What are you recording me for?
So I made me do an interview for her.
She's gonna ask me, but she's
No, she was not gonna ask you. I was gonna ask you. Yes, I was gonna go on. That's like, just say it's for my presentation. Here's the interview her. Jacob, who, mommy?
Guys, pose.
Angel had a little tornado in the bathroom. What happened?
I don't know. She was drying her hair.
I said, do you know how many people I hit with my butt today? What class are we in, Naomi?
Anatomy.
Thank you very much.
This part was 12 minutes long and it was literally just us sitting there and talking about nonsense. So I just decided to fade it up a little bit. Yeah. Anyway.
Yes. Because I found Brady.
How did I miss that? I don't know. Then you say don't break the cane. Yeah. I mean, it comes off and on. Comes off and on. Now you're shitting herself. I literally almost like died. What's the point? And I try to look adulty. But oh my god, you're like 15 years old. Yeah, like damn posture.
Yeah, you too, Mr. Juma. All right, thanks. Bye. I'm the most bullied.
Thanks.
Bro, I know her neck is hurting, bro. What? How do you even do that?
I mean, I'm not
your
sad
neck,
that I'm leaving.
Your neck is so bad. It's a table. It's as flat as a table.
That's a little too. Oh, look at that. Look at that one. Oh.
Oh, why is that so short? Why is it G?
No, it's good.
All done.
I love you.
I love you too. Thank you for being.
That's very Durand of you.
Are you even sadder now that you got a hug?
Yes. It's okay. I'm happy. I'm happy we're moving on to different things.
Finally getting out of this ranky place. Well, I'm not getting copyrighted again, so you get on no audio. Listen with your heart and see with your ears.
Dude, the stomping is crazy.
Miss B, I post my Snapchat stories the selfie that we took yesterday.
I know, he asked me, he said, where are you?
Naomi,
Did you fit? Yes.
you should just stay one more year.
Okay. I signed the glasses.
You can't even. It's my side profile so bad.
Stop. You can't even see them.
Oh yeah. Dude, send it. Wait, don't. Yes, grandma.
Yeah. Wait, I can't remember how. I started learning salsa, but I can't. Say hi, Buffett.
What?
Say hi.
Enjoying the sun, man. So we're ending the day.
We're taking off, Bubba.
Do it.
No, he's gonna fly.
Boost. We're ending this. We're ending this vlog. Dave, shut up. Dave. Again, I did say I was ending it. I was going to, then I decided not to. I continued throughout the day. Because why not? Why not? So now I'm at Kaylee's house. These are glasses Naomi gave me. Good luck next year, Shotty Bay. Mommy Kaylee is cooking up some din din for her cubs. Slap your mama. Slap your mama.
So
What are you cooking today?
I'm cooking some pasta with Alfredo and tomato sauce. Alfredo and tomato.
What's that?
This beef. This beef pasta. It's the Alfredo sauce that we have to go off of.
Body girl.
What you do is you cook your beef, start your water for your pasta, and then when you're done cooking your beef, you season it, whatever, while you're cooking it, whatever. And then you take any sauce that you like and you dump it in to the beef, and then you fill it up a little bit with water just to like get the extra sauce. Not all of it though, because you don't want a watery ass pasta. And then you mix all that together. And then when all that is mixed together, you add your seasonings of choice. You slap your mama. Tony original seasoning. What? Some Old Bay is for seafood, but I like Old Bay a bit. And then adobo, and then we'll add some with the Italian seasoning. Just gonna add some Italian seasoning just cause like it's pasta. There you go, honey. Mix all that up. We're also gonna add minced garlic. It's gonna add some minced garlic. A woman once said, "Why do you have minced garlic when you have garlic powder?" Could you guess who that woman was? Yeah. I was like, okay. Now you mix it all up and you let it simmer and cook together. All of its sauce, all its flavors, you gotta let them cook together. I'm gonna cover that on up. Cover that up, and I'm gonna get started on the Alfredo. Okay, so for the Alfredo, I'm not gonna heat it up because it's going in the oven.
I did the dishes.
Good job, honey.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna heat it up. So no. Just take it and pour it in a bowl. If you like bland Alfredo, you don't have to do all this. But I don't like bland Alfredo. Bland Alfredo's gross.
Bland Alfredo is bland. The bland people like bland.
Yeah, I'm gonna add a little water into this because there's a lot left. But I'm gonna do a lot less water in the Alfredo jar than I did in the pasta jar. Because I'm not a big fan. I don't think anybody's a big fan of watery Alfredo. There you go. Can you rinse that out for me?
You gotta do homework.
Huh?
You gotta do homework.
You're supposed to rinse this out for me too.
I know you don't pour toilet out of school, but I do. Sorry, man.
And I'm gonna take some of this Parmesan garlic, buffalo wild wing sauce, and just add that into my Alfredo. Add a little bit more garlic because I already added a lot of garlic to the meat sauce.
Honey, I'm home.
Hey, Kelly girl.
Get me. What you up to?
I'm cooking
For children. For who? Me.
for Jayla and Joe.
Oh, I'm here to clean.
You are?
Yeah,
Clean what?
the whole house.
Oh.
The whole downstairs.
Okay.
What are these? Would you guys like to hear my grades?
No.
What?
I'm just kidding. Go ahead.
Really senior?
How long to boil? You can add salt to it. Salty pasta water is the best pasta water. You gotta salt that bitch up.
You got enough pine straw? Son of a bitch.
You think so?
I don't think so. You got like 3 of these?
Yeah, probably. Probably 5 if you're really starting to
Five?
look. Okay, so why are you recording?
Because you said you wanted to show me how you make it.
Well, basically, when the pasta's done, you put the pasta in a baking dish, and then you put this in the pasta and you mix it. It's Alfredo. And then you put the meat sauce on top of the pasta. You don't mix it, and then you put cheese all over it and put it in the
steps until any of these or something.
say okay. And then yeah, put it in the oven. Yeah.
Kaylee has to present her capstone. How are you feeling?
So nervy. I look a hot mess.
You wore the same outfit as yesterday.
Same outfit, cause why not?
He's looking at her thing right now.
Yeah, he's looking at my website. Can you turn the camera?
It's been about 2 months since I filmed this video. And I didn't do an outro. So this is my outro. I just finished editing it today and I recorded it about in April. It's almost August now, so it's my outro.